This is Agua Calientes. The hot spring, the hot spring pool over there. And you might be able to see it. I'll take you up there. There's a waterfall. And yeah, beautiful river. Definitely worth coming to, hanging out for the day. Here's the hot springs. We'll call them warm springs actually. They charge, I think, like 25-50 pesos to use their pool. It's quite nice. They serve a few little drinks and sandwiches and stuff like that. Not sure if you can see everything flying behind me, but those are all butterflies. They like to hang out here on the sand, so here's something else. Look. And this is the waterfall at Agua Caliente. It's still pretty low, even though we're in the middle of the rainy season. But it's a wonderful place to just come and chill out, cool off, especially during the hot summer day. I like to visit whenever I come up to El Frito or on my way to Chapala. Just a little stopover, take a dip, cool off. It's pretty nice, a little river healing. Nature is the best thing. So, yeah. To nature. Let's go.